DTR Productions. DTR Productions.
Again. guys, it's Brittany and I am back. I have finally finished applying this wig to my head, and I say finally, but this wasn't that difficult to apply and look natural. So this wig came pre-colored like this. I have worked with Divaswigs maybe 3 times in the past, and the other wigs that I have tried from them have been black wigs, and it's obviously spring now and I did want to try some color from them. So this is a custom color, so this takes a long time to arrive. So I think this color took like a month, but we finally they finally got the wig to me, and I think the color is nice. Initially when I looked at the color I was like, this is kind of brassy, but I think it looks pretty good. I think it's a pretty nice color. Now if you don't like how like orange this color is, I guess you could, I don't know, put shimmer lights on it and kind of tone that brassiness down, but I think it's a nice color and it complements my skin tone pretty well. Yeah, so this is what the length of it looks like on me. I'm 6 feet tall and this is where it falls. So it falls on me about 22 inches or so. That's where it falls on me. So it looks like in all directions. So I used my 6-in-1, one of my 6-in-1 curl wands that I got from Amazon, and I'll put that in the description box. Those kind of 6-in-1 curl wand, like the interchangeable ones, are very like beneficial to have. I did tweeze the hairline, so I do have shedding, but it's not like terrible. I just went in and customized the hairline, and I showed you guys how I do that. And this looks very natural. I only have like, I was thinking about doing like some baby hairs with the Got to Be Glued and stuff, but this hairline looks very natural without it, so it looks very natural without it, so I didn't find it necessary to do like a lot of baby hairs. And I don't even have this tacked down, and it's laying really flat to my head. It's not lifting at all. I think it's because I adjusted the straps and that's all that I needed. And when it comes to wigs lately, especially when I'm doing like a lot of frontals and stuff, it's really nice to have a wig that I don't have to adhere it down or do any extra steps like that. So all I did was I customized the hairline a little bit more, which it looked good without me doing that, but I did want to like step it up a notch. And I just styled it with that curl wand, and that was about it. Yeah, that was about it, and I really like this color. No tangling yet, and just overall I think this is a really pretty wig. I didn't know what to expect because I haven't worked with Divaswigs in a long time, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. And this hairline looks very good. Very good. I just put some of my pressed powder in my parting space, and that's it. So yeah, shout out to Divaswigs for sending me this wig. I really enjoy it, and if you guys enjoyed it and you are interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave a link in the description box. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. I'm going to have more time to spend with you guys, and I'm going to have a lot more videos coming for you guys. So leave your suggestions of different kinds of videos you would like to see, whether it's hair related, makeup related, even art related, because I'm going to have more time to do my artwork. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.